Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Leos. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow the general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have Moon in reverse, Four of Wands and Four of Pentacles in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your work situation or in this relationship. You may see some delays or suspensions. Certain things may not go as expected in your work. In some projects or assignments, you may be seeing some delays, guys. Something that may worry you. It may be something small, guys. Maybe you have a lot of dreams or fantasies about your life or expectations. Maybe you are expecting things to go as you dream, and you are focusing your attention on all those fantasies or dreams that you have, guys, in your life. But today situation is something different. You don't know what is the right way to deal with your situation. Maybe whatever efforts you are making, it's not relating in the outcome of your maybe in your work situation. So your expectations are not met and you don't know what to do now. And that may be the reason you are silent about certain things. You are unable to make a right decision today, guys, Leos. So there are circumstances that needs to be decided on. You need to make a choice towards something, but you are unable to make a choice. So you have lack of clarity in your situation, guys. So it may be in your relationship or it may be in your work situation. So you don't know what is the right thing or how to go about in your situation. So lack of clarity. But Leos, you need not worry. These may be something small, guys, because I see that your circumstances are changing. You are going to have an unexpected good luck working for you or a good fortune coming in your situation. So things are going to fall into place and you will feel really happy. You never expected this to happen, but it has happened or it is happening today, guys. So you are celebrating this new change, celebrating this prosperity or success in your situation today, guys. And you feel harmony and balance in your life today. So it may be an unexpected change in your work situation or in your relationship, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Magician in reverse. So in this relationship, guys, maybe for some of you, you are worried, maybe thinking about certain things about this person or about this relationship. You are thinking about certain things again and again, just wishing for certain results today. And maybe you may get the answer for the questions you are having in your mind, guys, about this person or about this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Four of Swords in reverse. So you are making a lot of efforts, guys. You are going through a lot to hold on to success or prosperity in your situation today, guys, or you are making a lot of efforts today, Leos, in your work situation. But unexpected changes are here, guys. So things are going to change positively very soon, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and first crystal, your second card and second crystal. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card, guys. It is Sacred Phoenix Heart. So with this card, guys, maybe in your situation today, you may have some confusion, something bothering you or worrying you. You have gone through a lot, endured a lot, made a lot of sacrifices, but there is uncertainty and confusion today, guys, in your situation, and you don't know which way to go. And maybe today you want answers, you are looking for answers. And this oracle card, it comes with a special guidance, guys, that whatever you are looking for, maybe answers for the troubles or some clarity in a situation, whatever it is, you are getting the answers. And the way of getting that is by letting go of your striving or opinions or your doubts, despair or fears, whatever you have. So you don't need any of it, and there is a guidance waiting for you, reaching you today, and you will see things with a better clarity, guys. And also with this card, guys, there is a special guidance for you all, that divine timing is working for you. So though you would have faced a lot, you would have sacrificed a lot, you would have faced a lot of trials in your life, but whatever it is, whatever the situation may be, guys, divine timing is working, and at the right time, right things will unfold for you. So at that right time, whatever you expect, the answers you are seeking will reach you, guys, and you need not worry. So you just have to wait for it with curiosity, and there is no need to fear or worry today, guys. So just be curious for the way things are going to unfold for you, and even the next step may be the final step towards the answers you are seeking today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card and this crystal, it says the Children of Lyre. So with this card, guys, the energy is that you, all of us, guys, not only you, all of us, we are first of all, we are great souls. We have lived for a long time, and maybe this present life, this small lifetime, this is just a part of that long life, long soul life we are having, guys, on this earth. So maybe this is the time we need to understand that in our situation, guys, we are evolving ourselves, we are growing emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually. So this is one of that journey, and whatever our life unfolds, or whatever journey is unfolding in our life, it is our soul's journey, guys. So we need to go through all that to move towards a greater evolution, a greater change in life. And maybe in your situation you are going through a lot of troubles, maybe stress, maybe. So no matter whatever it is, guys, your suffering and your pain is quickly coming to an end. And maybe for some of you, you have a lot of burdens or responsibilities. So all that is going to end, guys. And also you need to understand that if someone loves you truly, they love you for what you are, not for your form or appearance. So they love you for your true nature, for your true characteristics. For it will be a soul connection, guys, and it will not be something based on superficial things like beauty or appearance. So maybe today this is a time of assessment whether this person loves you truly. So maybe if they love you truly, it will be love based on what you are, not for what you appear to be. So appearance are not important, and you may have a deeper bonding with this person beyond your appearance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for y'all. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.